In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove a CMS collection from Webflow step by step. This is perfect if you no longer need a collection, you're cleaning up a project, or you want to convert your site back to static content. I'll walk you through the entire process so you don't accidentally leave orphan CMS items behind. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Webflow tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to your Webflow dashboard and open the site where the CMS collection exists. Once your site loads in the Webflow Designer, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on the CMS panel. This is where all of your collections and CMS items are managed. Clicking on CMS will show you a list of all the collections connected to this project. Next, click on the specific CMS collection that you want to remove. Make sure you're selecting the correct one, especially if your project has multiple collections, like blog posts, projects, or team members. Once you open the collection, you'll see all the items inside it. Now, before you delete the collection itself, you need to remove all the CMS items inside it. At the top of the collection, click on the Select option so you can select multiple items at once. Then choose Select All. This will highlight every CMS item in that collection. With all items selected, click on Delete. Webflow will ask you to confirm, because this action permanently removes the CMS items. Go ahead and click Delete Permanently. At this point, all the items inside the collection are completely removed. Once the CMS items are deleted, you can now delete the collection itself. Look for the Settings gear icon for the collection and click on it. This opens the Collection Settings panel. Inside the Collection Settings, scroll until you see the option that says Delete Collection. Click on Delete Collection and Webflow will prompt you one final time to confirm. Click Delete to permanently remove the CMS collection from your site. And that's it. You've successfully removed a CMS collection from Webflow. If the collection was connected to any pages or elements, make sure to double-check your site and adjust any layouts or content as needed. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Webflow tips, tutorials, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.